So I'm here in Central Park, and that's Strawberry Fields right behind me. And if you listen, you can hear a singer over there playing Strawberry Fields, which is why I'm not in Strawberry Fields shooting this video. And of course you can see the Dakota behind that. And I had thought about doing a tapping video where we just tap through the lyrics of Imagine. And then I thought, if that's something you would enjoy doing, I think it'd be more poignant to actually listen to the song maybe and hear John's voice and tap along while John Lennon sings the lyrics to Imagine. And we'll do a tapping based on that song. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being, doing this tapping, which is a process for lowering stress and allowing things to change. I choose to imagine people living in peace. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to imagine people living in peace. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to imagine people living in peace. I think it's possible. You might call me a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. And I choose to imagine all the people living life in peace. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe everybody else too. Just imagine that. I choose to imagine people living life in peace. And it starts with me. In order to really imagine people living life in peace, I need to try to live life in peace myself. So I choose to clear what isn't peace. Some of those things that John sang about. Fear and attachment. Those things that rob us of peace. I'm allowing myself to clear fear. All this fear of them. All these things that separate me from other people and make me fearful of other people. I choose to process that fear, clearing it out as much as possible so that I discover the peace that's underneath. I'm allowing myself to clear the attachment. The attachment to possessions. I may choose to enjoy some possessions, but it's the attachment that gets me in trouble. It's the attachment that puts us into fear. And makes us afraid of other people. All this attachment that causes us to fight each other. I'd rather be a lover than a fighter. So I'm clearing what causes me to lose my peace. Rediscovering the peace that's in there. And if I can do it, maybe I can inspire others to do it. I can teach peace. I am imagining all the people living life in peace. And it starts with me feeling peace. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Hopefully you're allowing yourself some more peace. And when you're aware of the other stuff that's robbing you of peace, I'm here for you. Thanks.